Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna clean a squeaky keyboard or fix it. So first thing you're gonna do is just to uh, un open the cover, which is connected with these screws underneath the what do you call it the keyboard. The first thing you're gonna do is to remove this spring just like this, lifting it up, move it to backward and leave it. But you can't actually get it out because these two keys won't let you. So the thing you're gonna do is open the key that gives you more space. So this key is gonna get removed, and you're gonna do the same thing with the first key, and this is how you remove it. You see? So now you're gonna remove this by pushing it backward and then lift it up and then just take it out. And the squeaky sound comes from here, this part, which get on this part. Here it is, if you can see it. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, these three things gets right in between them. What you want to do is to actually clean this area and this part, and you can actually put oil, like machine oil, on it, just so it gets smooth, you know. Okay, so I put some oil. I actually did, but it's still kind of okay. Let me just put some. Okay, let me just unscrew this. I unscrewed the oil, and now I'm gonna put some here and here and here and the other side. You see, it gets smooth. And now you're gonna put it back there. Make sure you like move this part from here so it gets on that part, gets on a place, on its spot, gently. You don't want to break it. I don't think I can do this. Okay, done. Sorry for the messy videotaping. It's because I got no one to videotape me, and it's actually 12 a.m. here. Nobody's awake. It's only me. And fixed. You see? As easy as that. And I actually wanted to cover this, or teach you guys this, because me myself was facing the problem, and I was actually searching on YouTube and I didn't find any video that can show me how to fix this thing. So yeah, and I forgot to show you, when you finish, this is how you get it back on its place. Wait, let me show you. You see, you remove it like this, and then you just put it underneath there and just pull it off, pull it up, and then just put it in there, right? As easy as that. And now your key is all smooth and clear. I hope this was useful. And now I'm just gonna put this back on, but I'm not gonna show you that because it's a long process. So I hope you guys not enjoyed it. What am I saying? Okay, share this video with your friends, those who are facing the same problem, and thank you.